Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in the Settings app. This saves time. First, open Settings, go to System, then Power and Sleep. If you prefer Control Panel, open Power options there. Make sure you know whether you want different behavior when on battery versus plugged in. Once done, look for Screen Timeout or turn off the display options. You're setting the stage, selecting the right panel so the exact timeout controls become visible and editable. Now you change the actual values. In Power and Sleep, pick the minutes or choose Never for both on battery and plugged in. Shorter times save battery, longer times improve convenience. If you need more control, click Additional Power Settings, then change Plan Settings and Advanced Power Settings. There you can tweak dim display, console lock display off, and multimedia settings. Make adjustments thoughtfully so the display timeout finish by saving changes and immediately testing them. Lock your PC or wait for the specified time while on battery and then plugged in. If the display doesn't follow the new timeout, make sure the chosen power plan is active and no manufacturer utility or group policy overrides it. Also update graphics and chipset drivers. If problems persist, try creating a custom power plan or resetting power plans with power cut commands. These steps uncover and resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.